Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this recommended for you Roku channel section on your Roku device or Roku TV. And it's pretty simple, so let's get started. So the first thing we need is our Roku remote. We're going to press left on our Roku remote to get to the menus option on the home screen. And then we're going to just go ahead and go down until we get to settings. And then we're going to press OK on our remote. And now we're going to scroll down until we see home screen. Once we get to home screen, we're going to press OK again. And now you're going to notice at the very top here is recommendation rows. We want to press OK once again or press to the right. And now we can choose to hide it. So once we go to hide and that is selected, we'll press OK. And then moving forward on our home screen, you will not see the recommendations any longer there at the top. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If it was, feel free to give me a like on this video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.